How to fix Battlefield 6 REDSEC crashing on Steam. So first you want to open up your Steam and then right click on the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then under launch options add the following command, which is -dx11, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Once it's done, you want to check your GPU updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, and from here select game ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest version. You can also press reinstall here to manually reinstall it. Next, you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist, and then click on the first Microsoft link, scroll down to the second table and download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of these redistributables. It should also ask you to repair the installation if you have them already installed. Next, you will need to try to disable any overlays that might cause the game to crash as soon as it starts up. So for example, if you have NVIDIA GPU, you can go to the NVIDIA app settings and from here uncheck NVIDIA overlay to disable it. Next, you want to go to Steam or whatever other platform you're using and go to settings, and then go to the in-game section and uncheck enable Steam overlay while in-game. Next, you can close Steam, and then you will need to also do it for Discord. Go to user settings, scroll down, and then go to game overlay and uncheck enable overlay. Next, you will need to restart your system by clicking on the restart button. And once your system is restarted, before launching the game, you want to right click on Steam and click on run as admin, and then you can launch Battlefield again, and this should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.